Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you remove any vocals from any media on your audio this 2023 using this AI ailab.wondershare.com. So just have to go to this website, and over here uh, I've already done this. So for example this one, so as you can see it has still the vocals here. So there, once done with that, let's go ahead and go over to this one. As you can see, this is the result. So you can also remove either the vocals or instrumentals if you want.
Oh, I can taste your love.
As you can see, it still has the vocals but not the instrumentals. But for this one, it has the instrumentals but not the vocals. And there, so there, if you want to upload a local file, we can do that as well. So let's go ahead and choose this one. Where to downloads. So let's choose a random song here.
Oh, I
Choose a random song. There, so let's just wait for that to finish. So there guys, once done, let's see the results. So this is the original one.
didn't know me.
As you can see, it has still the vocals and instrumentals. So for the result, without the instrumentals,
I really only met up.
and here for the uh, disappearing vocals. And there guys, so as you can see, we've successfully did that. And there, so that is how you can use this website guys. Thank you for watching and goodbye.